How can we raise beef cattle with fewer resources? How can we ensure forage stocks can resist a changing climate? Researchers at Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada's Swift Current Research and Development Centre are looking to answer those questions. Their goal is to increase forage and grassland production by 33% and provide beef producers with techniques to ensure consistent forage production in changing environmental conditions. Dr. Mike Schellenberg is a native plant specialist. He's looking at increasing the yields and nutritional qualities of native forage species through strategic plant breeding. His colleague, Dr. Alan Iwasa, is focused on determining the perfect grazing management strategy so that beef producers can get the most out of their forage crops.
Producers need to be looking at native plants because they have been here for centuries and have managed to take and maintain a sustainable plant community that has provided feed and forage for wildlife as well as livestock. There are things within the native plant communities that will benefit them in the future because we're looking at plants that are adapted to drier conditions. The work that we have in Swift Current will already be addressing those future environments.
Integrating these species into modern grazing and forage production systems could provide more stable forage production and pasture management.
By looking at their growth patterns and their nutritional forage qualities, we can best utilize those forages at different times of the year. So as a result, the animal is able to have consistent forage productions throughout the ups and downs of environmental conditions. By having good grazing management in which you're resting some of your pastures at certain times, and by using a deferred rotational grazing system where you're allowing some of those plants to set seed, you encourage a more healthier production and a healthier stand. So by following this, you enable yourself to be able to weather the environmental extremes that we're having.
The researchers are also looking at the benefits of purple prairie clover with the aim of improving herd health.
It actually reduces the spreading of E. coli. So right there you have a benefit to the animal as far as animal health and also a benefit to human health.
The successful forage species, along with a few others from greenhouse trials, will be combined into various groupings and assessed at several locations throughout the prairie region. The final results of the study will lead to recommendations for the best forage mixtures for greater genetic diversity and a more resilient landscape.